This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara.Smith. Conveniently located townhome in Western Branch. 2 bedrooms, 1 and a bath. Roof replaced July 2021. Private backyard with a view. No homes behind this one. 2-story with living area, dining area and half bath and kitchen down. 2 bedrooms and full bath upstairs. Fenced backyard. Storage shed in back. Close to restaurants, shopping in the interstate. Everything you need is close by. For more information, review the details below.